So they could go back to a breaking ball here.
And Freeman guides that down the third base line. 1 run is in. Here comes Hayward. He's going to streak around. He's going to score. Freddie Freeman with 2 strikes and 2 outs brings the Braves to within a run. That ends Locke's scoreless streak.
That was a thing of beauty. Breaking ball, down and away, might not have even been a strike, and Freddie with that magic wand paints it right over the bag. Double, and then I don't know what happened to Starling Marte, but he got to the ball, then he got to it again, and then he got to it again, and Jason Hayward was running the whole time.